Wild Media here, and in today's video is going to be a little bit different of a video. We are going on a road trip in the Miata up to Duluth, and I'm just going to be sharing my little adventure and some of the things I do up there. Obviously, we are up in Duluth. We have got the Miata out here. As you can see, I've just got it parked up in the parking garage right now. We're just chilling. I'm just looking over the car, make sure everything's right. It's about a 3-hour drive with the car to get it up here, and it was actually a really nice, peaceful drive and everything. It was actually really fun. This thing is a very good cruiser. It's 70 down the highway, and when you're in a 70 speed limit, holds it, cruise control works and everything. But I'm probably going to end up taking some photos right here and a TikTok, obviously, because that's what I do when I go places. I take TikToks and photos. So I will pop up the photos on screen so you guys can see what kind of photos I took and how I edited them. And then obviously you guys will see the TikTok on my YouTube shorts, or if you follow me on my TikTok page right here. That's probably the easiest way to find it. So I'm gonna do that real fast. As you can see, I just stopped on a little parking lot, and there was this beautiful Porsche came in. So nice. I think it actually looks really cool next to the Miata. I love the red. I don't know what it is with the stock wheels on the Porsches. I've always loved. They're super clean looking cars. I think it was the 911 came in. I don't know for sure, but that's just from my knowledge. But then there was this other blue one that was there. It had the chrome silver wheels. All time my favorite looking color and wheel combo. I love the way it looked, but now we are at the lighthouse. Let's go walk over there and do that. We're currently walking on the pier in Duluth right now. As you can see, it's super windy. If you look ahead, there's the lighthouse and everything. We've got the water. I'll do some more cinematic clips for you guys to see everything. Holy moly. So we just got done at the pier and everything. We were just chilling, having fun, but now I'm going off to, there's a little trail up in further Duluth. It is this beautiful, like, waterfall looking area. I've always wanted to check it out, so we're gonna head over there now. So I just got back from going to that little trail. It was super fun, just nice and relaxing, just trying to take a weekend for myself and everything. And it was very calming going to the pier. I went out to dinner with some friends and just had a lot of fun doing it. I think I went to one other trail, but I did not get that one on video, sadly. It was another waterfall looking one, But this was a little bit shorter of a video. I wanted to kind of just show you guys my adventures of taking the Miata up to Duluth. So I hope you guys can like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Deuces!